Well, it's 4 o'clock in the morning and we have trouble in paradise. There is a heavy rain and thunderstorm. I hope I don't get my tent blown away. If you can see that, it's really heavy rain and my tent is being pushed by this heavy wind. I've got a very old tent, but it's already leaking. We see that, that's a lot of rain falling. I got a friend right there who's actually under a big shelter. I'm here alone in the middle of the campsite. This rain is really heavy. A few hours ago we were watching the sky